Being your own boss. The whole subject of everything that I'm going to preach and talk and help individuals is how to be your own boss and how to create your own your lifestyle to where you can do what you want, where you want, and how you want. And creating different streams of income is the biggest focus that I'm going to help my core group of individuals that are going to join us this year. So we're looking for a core group of individuals who want to change their life, get into a bigger level, surpass the income that you never imagine you can get to. And if you can focus, and if you're a go-getter and you want to learn, that's all I'm going to focus with, is just individuals who want to pay attention and do the work. Being successful or becoming your own boss is not easy. It's the hardest thing you're ever going to do in your life. It's kind of like losing weight. Every day you have to eat right. Every day you got to train. You got to do cardio. You got to have a mixture. The same thing with business. You got to wake up early. You got to plan your day out. You got to make certain phone calls. If you're trying to sell a product or yourself or whatever, you have to do the work. And I promise you, within a few weeks and a few months, the more confidence you get because you're doing the work and you're seeing the success, and it becomes more of a habit. So you have to create the daily habits to become successful. And I've been doing this for years. Ever since I was young, I go back through all the different businesses that I've worked for, companies that I've worked for. I started out as a laborer. I worked into management. I got into sales, insurance sales. Didn't have no clue about insurance when I was 27. I became the first top 10 youngest individual actually to succeed with the company. And over the course of the years, my whole focus is always being the best at what I can do. And have I had some ups and downs, successes, failures? Have I over leveraged myself? Yes, I've done it all. I've done everything you can imagine, but I've always come back. I lost everything in 2009. I had too much in real estate. I went through divorce, went through everything. I lost it all, but all I focused is to get back on track and make it better. And that's what I've done. Since 2009 and 2010, 10 years now, I've accomplished what I've always dreamed of, but I was dreaming it back then. I was fascinated back then. I was just convinced and manifested into me, I'm going to get the life that I want. And today I have multiple streams of income. I do what I want, when I want, how I want, and I choose to do that. And I still work with certain individuals and as partnerships and things of that nature. And it's just exciting when you get to that point. So I'm looking for a handful of people who want to change their life in 2021. Me and my marketing team, we have a whole different plan and strategies to help you kind of get your business to where you want to get to the next level. So together, between the training, coaching, and everything else, we're going to offer also with marketing, social media strategies, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. We're going to give you a whole system, so we're going to help you move your level and your business to the next level. If you're trying to get an online business or even an offline business, we can help you. Look forward to it. Press the button, subscribe, like, help us kind of grow our community. And together, our whole goal is basically sharing each other and doing different podcasts and things of that nature to kind of share each other's stories and help each other kind of get there. Look forward to it. Thank you. Happy New Year to you. Bye-bye.